my jam this you for a chain and give it to a sweet one, call that Maya Jama. Giving out gifts like Santa, sipping on Santa. I used to do lean and wop. Closet full up with designer, coming like panda, panda. Yeah, gal just came to the booth and asked for a wheel. She never heard telling it.
Think about the food you eat every day. As the human population grows exponentially, our global and local resources demand skyrocket. Topic 2 of environmental science teach us that a growing population doesn't just need space to live. It also places an immense strain of agricultural system to supply food. But what happens when a massive population overconsume and overwaste? Based on the graph I take from National Solid Waste Management Department JPSPN, looking at the solid red line on the left, we can see that real recorded waste grew steadily and predictably over the 14 years period, climbing from 21,452 tons per day in 2002 to 32,939 tons per day in 2016. Following this streak pattern into the dotted projection line on the right, the graph estimates that daily waste reached 37,770 tons in 2022 and is on track to hit staggering 41,032 tons per day. Ultimately, the graph shows that daily waste generation is on path to nearly double over a 24-year span. So, let's look at our own backyard. Malaysian population has climbed to over 34 million people. Because of this rapid growth and changing consumer habit, Malaysia now generates roughly 41,035 tons of solid waste every single day. That is enough to fill Petronas Twin Tower every few weeks. Our high population density in urban areas means that landfills are overflowing, leading to severe environmental consequences, like the Juram landfill in Kuala Selangor is buried under 27-meter high mountain of trash and approaching its limit due to taking 3.7 million kilograms of daily waste. And the Open Kayu Madang landfill in Sabah and Pulau Burong in Penang landfill experiencing recurring severe trash fire that blanket surrounding town and school in toxic hazardous smoke. So how do we solve this problem? Driven by millions of people, we propose measures for environmental sustainability starting at home. First, we must transition from linear take-make waste mindset to circular economy that means strictly practicing 5R, which is refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle. By composting organic food waste, which make up nearly 50% of Malaysian household trash, we can drastically reduce landfill pressure. On a larger scale, we must advocate for better separation at source policies implemented by our local councils.
Chose my jam this you for a chain and give it to a sweet one, call that Maya Jama. Giving out gifts like Santa, sipping on Santa. I used to do lean and wop. Closet full up with designer, coming like panda, panda. Yeah, gal just came to the booth and asked for a wheel. She never heard till in Atlanta. Every pink told me that I look like Yusuf, look like Hamza. Habibi please, Ana Akid, Inti Wana Akhla.